Bluetooth is a technology that allows devices to connect and interact with each other wirelessly. In this video, I will show you how to change your Bluetooth name on Android. This is a great way to personalize your device and make it easier for others to find. So without any further ado, let's get started right away. So first of all, let's open up the Settings app, and then when you are in Settings, tap on this Bluetooth option. And as you can see, my device name is Lily J. So, if I wanted it to be something else, I'd tap on it, then delete the name I already have, then type in something else, and then tap OK. As you can see now, my Bluetooth name has been changed from Lily J to an example. As a result, this is the name that will be displayed on any devices I attempt to pair. So that's all for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If not, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step tutorial videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.